Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix the official WhatsApp required issue. So guys, if you ever encounter that issue, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your homepage. And now from here, just simply go ahead and hold the application over here. And now just simply go ahead and go to the app info, and now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on storage, and just simply go ahead and tap on clear cache. And when you relaunch the application, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, what you could try to do is just simply go back at the top left corner over here. And now just simply go ahead and tap on uninstall. And now make sure to tap on keep the app data and tap on OK. And now, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and just simply install it back again into your device. And from here, just simply install it, and you should be able to fix the issue. And now, another option that you might want to consider is make sure to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and make sure it is enabled as auto update. So make sure to check this box over here, guys, so you won't have any problems like that. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about WhatsApp, and thanks for watching. See ya.